Today, we're ecstatic to introduce our new product, which we've named Able.
We have taken in a lot of feedback from thousands of our customers world over and incorporated some of the best suggestions in Able.
Able has an aluminum unibody design and is probably among the lightest in the Windows category. It has chamfered edges, and the top aluminum surface of the keyboard also takes in the same chamfered design cues, giving the whole device a premium look.
Able is generous in its port offerings. It has a full high-speed USB 3.0 port, a full USB 2.0 port, a micro USB OTG charging port, micro HDMI as well as a SIM card and a SD card slot.
Connectivity features also stand out with inbuilt high throughput 3G module and BGN support for Wi-Fi networks.
Able also uses a SAI glass for its G+G touch panel, which makes it durable and scratch resistant.
Let's talk about some of the suggestions which we have incorporated. Higher RAM was one of the most requested or rather desired feature. Able supports 4 GB of high-speed DDR3L RAM.
People had also suggested more compute power along with better graphics. We have upgraded Able's CPU, which now runs on Intel's latest X5 Z8300 Cherry Trail processor, the same one you find in Microsoft Surface. X5 also has an 800 MHz GPU, which we sure will be able to handle apps like Photoshop or intense 3D graphic games.
Our user study, as well as suggestions we got, recommended we incorporate more display angles and hard keyboard. Able does just that. The keyboard on Able provides most of the usable angles, and it is sturdy, making it useful just like a laptop.
Able's keyboard houses LEDs for trackpad enable and caps lock status. The trackpad also supports multi-touch features for all your Windows gestures.
The charger cable length is also increased from 1 meter to 1.5 meters. SD card slot now supports up to 128 GB. Power and volume buttons are located on top for easy access.
Able is also one of the only few 2-in-1 running 64-bit Windows OS for all your modern apps and programming needs.
We have pushed our competition to introduce the same warranty policy as ours, but they haven't got it completely correct. Able, like our other devices, comes with full swap warranty. If anything happens, we just swap it. This is possible because our devices go through 4 quality control stages. Primary quality control is done by our manufacturing plant, which confirms the mean time between failure numbers for us. Then our team, right on the assembly line, rejects devices which does not conform to the functional or design requirements. Then we get the quality control done through a third-party agency, which adds a very strong impartial look at everything. Finally, the devices are airshipped to India to reduce the in-transit time and damage. Once they reach our labs, every single device again goes through full functional as well as design coherence test. That's when we add those mint chewing gums and letters to you. And that is why we can confidently tell you, if at all anything happens, we will just swap it, as we believe we have put our heart in testing to make it close to a perfect device.
Finally, Able is simple, minimalistic and functional, and we're sure that like us, you'll fall in love with it too.